Hey, what's up my YouTube family? कैसे हो आप सब लोग? I hope you all are doing well. Today is the first video of a new series, Thought of the Day. और आज का thought है virtual communication. Nowadays, we are so much prone, we are so much addicted of virtual communication, virtual conversation. सामने वाला हम लोग आपके सामने एक इंसान बैठा है या खड़ा है, हम लोग बात नहीं करते. We don't talk to the person sitting right next to you. Rather, we are so comfortable talking virtually in social medias. There's a research shows that people are very comfortable talking virtually rather than talking with a live person, talking with a real person who is sitting right next to you. एक रिसर्च में पाया गया है कि हम बहुत ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल होते हैं वर्चुअली बात करने में और हम लोग नर्वस हो जाते हैं. वी टेंड टू बिकम नर्वस एंड we feel uncomfortable talking to the person sitting right next to you. There's another negative impact of virtual communication. आपका असली पर्सनैलिटी कभी भी इतना आसानी से डेवलप नहीं करता है. अगर आप लाइव बातें नहीं करोगे तो ये डेवलप नहीं होगा, आपका पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट होगा नहीं. इफ यू मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम एंगेज इन वर्चुअल कम्युनिकेशन, आप आपके पर्सनैलिटी को डेवलप नहीं कर सकते हो. I'll share my personal opinion. It requires some guts. It requires some amount of confidence to talk to a person, to talk to a real person, or to talk to a stranger. I was just reading a book by Dale Carnegie, the book The Quick and Easy Way to Effective Speaking. That in the book, Dale Carnegie said that we should interact with people maybe in shopping malls, maybe you are out for market, maybe you are waiting in the grocery shop. You can easily engage with a new person. अगर आप अपने जिंदगी में और ज़्यादा सफलता हासिल करना चाहते हो, you must start interacting with the strangers. आप बातें और भी ज़्यादा बातें आप चालू कर सकते हो किसी अनजान इंसान के साथ. And it will give you a sense of, it will give you an amount of pleasure and it will definitely help you to develop your personality and as well as your communication skill. Every day I travel by bus. On the way to my college, I observe people. They're office goers, students, or maybe other workers traveling for their jobs. So, सफ़र करते हैं, जो ऑफिस जाते हैं, students हैं. When I see people busy with their phones, texting, they're so comfortable. एक इंसान, there is a live or real person sitting right next to you. एक इंसान आपके सामने बैठा होता है और आप एंड यू आर बिजी इन फोन, आप फोन पे बातें करते रहते हो. वो इंसान के साथ आप रियल कॉन्वर्सेशन में आप एंगेज हो सकते हो. किसको पता है कि मे बी ही इज सो मच मोर नॉलेजेबल और एक्सपीरियंस देन यू. दो बातें करने से आपका भला हो सकता है. यू माइट गेन सम नॉलेज, यू माइट गेन सम एक्सपीरियंस just by talking to that person. But we are very comfortable talking virtually. We don't engage in talking. We don't engage in real life conversations. Rather, we engage in virtual communications. So I feel very weird. I feel very, very weird. I hate this habit, talking virtually. I love interacting. Let me share my personal opinion. I love interacting with real people, with real life communication, with real life conversations. I just love to engage talking eye to eye with the person sitting right next to you, or maybe you're in the shopping. Maybe you are in the shopping mall, or maybe you're just walking, you're jogging in the streets. You can easily engage in a very healthy conversation with the real life peoples. So choice is yours. Either you can talk with a real life person and you can exert the real pleasure out of it, or you can simply keep on texting, spending your rest of your life talking virtually, or I would say rather, most of the time texting and talking virtually, the choice is completely yours. आपका जिंदगी है और आप इसको कैसे, आप अपने जिंदगी को कैसे जियोगे, it's all depends on you. ये आपके ऊपर निर्भर करता है. So that was the thought of the day. Either you disagree or either you agree or you disagree completely. Do share, let me know your thoughts, your opinions in the comment section below. I'll be eager to know your comments. Thank you. See you with another new video and with another new topic. And you guys can wait for the next video, next thought of the day. Till then, take care of yourself and keep learning. Learn, develop, grow. Keep learning and keep developing. Thank you.